Hey guys, welcome back. So my desktop looks a bit different because I accidentally destroyed my Ubuntu partition. Well, it wasn't an accident. I guess it was a mistake. I was reformatting a partition to put something else onto it, and I didn't think that the partition I was reformatting was the one that had Ubuntu on it. I thought Ubuntu was on a different partition, and so I completely lost the entire installation. And so I've installed Zorin OS 11, which is based on Ubuntu 15.10. So it's the same version that we were using when we started, and that means that everything's going to be the same. The only thing is it's going to look a bit different. So in this video, we're going to be going over how to deploy our Meteor app to an Apache 2 server. And so the first thing we need to do is open up terminal here. So Control-Alt-T. And then change directory into the projects directory. And then what we need to do is we need to build the Meteor app. So you're going to issue the command Meteor build, and then where it builds to. So this is going to be one directory up into do app. Alright guys, so that took a little longer than I expected. It does take a bit of time because it's compiling the entire project into its final form. So what you're going to see is that if you change directory up one level, that we've now got a to-do app directory. So I'm going to change directories again into there. And we've got a resulting tar.gz file. So what we need to do is copy this to our Apache HTML directory. So just type cp to-do.tar.gz, and then where we're putting it, which is here. Now if you change directory to there, you'll see that you've got to-do.tar.gz there. So what we need to do is extract this. So you're going to run the tar command like this. Tar, and then the first parameter is going to be -xvf, and then the file. So to-do.tar.gz is going to extract it. So when you run ls again, you should see a bundle directory. So we're going to go into there. Now, what we need to do next is to install Node.js. You won't be able to install from the repositories, as the version that's included in the repositories is Node 0.10.25, and the version that we actually need is 0.10.29 or higher. So what we're going to do is go add a specific package. This is the URL. I will include it in the in this lecture. What you're going to do is just if you go to the PPA here, you'll see Trusty, Utopic, Vivid, and Wiley. And we're on version Wiley, so it's grayed out. But if you're not yet, just click whichever one makes sense for you according to your system. And then scroll down a bit here. And click on the most recent package. It's going to take you to this page, which I was on before. And then click 64-bit dev package to download it. And click keep. Now you're going to open this, and it should open up the software center. We're going to be manually installing this. I've already got it installed, and so it's not going to let me, well, it would let me reinstall it if I wanted to. I'm not going to do that. Basically, once it opens up, it's going to prompt you that an older version's included in your system's repositories, and it's recommended that you use that version instead and only install this if you know what it is, basically. You can just disregard that. This is the package we need, so you're going to see an install button here on the right. Just click that and let it install. Once it's done, you can close this program here. Come back to terminal, and from the bundle directory, you actually, if you run the ls command, this is what the structure of the directory looks like. The main.js file is going to be of interest here in a few minutes, but for right now, just change directory into programs/server and run sudo npm install. And what this is going to do is it's going to reinstall Node.js fibers for our Meteor application. So now the app is ready to go, but we've got to configure a few other things.